So, hello guys! Welcome to our mini vlog part 2 in Hong Kong, day 1. So, dito pa rin tayo sa Namayan Garden na tingnan namin yung mga ano nila, yung mga museums nila. Tapos, ang gaganda rin mga flowers around. It's a well look after garden. Tapos, ngayon po ay papunta na tayo ng the Grand Harbor at Colon Bay, if I'm not mistaken. Ang ganda ng view dito, fresh air, open area. And that's a ferry, and this is my husband trying to get some drinks. Ayan, nahirapan siyang kumuha ng drinks kasi hindi gumagana yung octopus card, char. And then ngayon, yan, lakad kami papuntang Avenue of Stars. And then we're here. Ayan, papunta kami dun sa Starbucks. And then now we're just chilling here outside the Starbucks, enjoying the view, enjoying the atmosphere. Maganda yung area, yung Avenue of Stars. It was one of my favorite area there. Yun yung preference ko yun. So guys, don't miss this area to visit kasi worth it siya. Then enjoying the afternoon. That's Bruce Lee right there. May batang naka-costume with this traditional costume. And then ito yung mall na maraming international brands naman dyan. Makita man kami, but, we did not stay long. Meron ngang dun may terrace dun na parang gusto ko sanang puntahan. Maybe next time na lang pag bumalik kami ng Hong Kong. Gucci! One day I will get that Gucci. And then si Shano, ayun siya sa, may pinaka-grass area. Yun yung terrace na gusto ko sanang akyatin. Kaso, it is already like on the 11th floor something kasi malaki yung mall. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow until my next video. Day 3 in Hong Kong. Yung Disneyland naman yung yung i-upload ko in my next video. Thanks. Bye.